What's up, YouTube? This is Sea-Dog back with another review. This is Transformers Titans Return Slugslinger, and we have all of the Decepticon Targetmasters here: Misfire, Slugslinger, and Triggerhappy. So I just wanted to show them all off in robot mode, and once again I have this messed up. I do have another tripod. I just got it, so this will be probably the last review like this. And I also bought an iPhone, so I'll be looking at it soon. I'm just gonna be. It was an iPhone 6, and it was a little bit smaller than I was anticipating. My friend is going to let me borrow his. I'm going to see if it's any good, and if I like it, I will pick it up. If not, I'll return it. But then we have Slugslinger himself. It's a very cool action figure. The lighting is good. And he's got actually some cool weapons. As you can see, he's got a kind of a different type of weapons, not those hollow, ugly weapons, but it still has access to the gimmick. Alright, so we're moving Triggerhappy and Misfire out of the way since they are reviews I've done already. Keep in mind, guys, I'm still looking over this stupid tripod, so I'm kind of, yeah. Anyways, so taking him back out, we'll check out Slugslinger. Yeah, I have to look over the tripod. Oh my god, it's so annoying, guys. But articulation is normal, like a Titan's Return. We have swivel bend at the elbow, outward, front to back. No butterfly. We got a little bit of ball joint action. Flip it into the. A little bit, get a little tilt. He's got waist swivel. Go like we needed to. Full out, full front, and you can get to go back. We've got swivel. We got deep bend on the knees, and then he's got those fun feet that you push up on the back. They go like that. You push up on the front. They go up like that. But if you have it like this, and then you push it to front, it goes like this. Same with this, which actually can help in poses. So it's really cool. No ankle tilts, and he also has a little bit of inward twist from the transformation itself. And his wings will articulate a little bit as well. This is what he looks like from the back, from the front. This is definitely my favorite of the three, although they all are pretty cool. And I'm glad that Hasbro and Triggerhappy put a lot of love into these guys compared to some of their other figures. So to transform them, this is just going to be a real quick review. You just want to flip these in like that. I'm going to take this off like this. And then what we want to do is you want to bring this up on a double hinge like that. Alright, you're going to bring these back. And you're just going to keep them like that because that part's going to peg in. And next up, we want to put the feet in, so you can just start with the front of the foot. This is the front side. And go like that, and it kind of goes all together. Well, usually it goes all together, but then it kind of goes like that. And then you see this part right here? You want to bring that down, then bring the legs back, then attach them over. Like this. They attach in the back. You can see the peg right there. Like that. You're going to attach that all the way down. Now we're going to take these and we're going to bring these back, and there's some tab points right here. There's a tab in, and they also tab in right there. There's a tab on the top of the shoulder, or the bottom of the arm, sorry. And tabs in, same thing on this side. Tab in that slot. God, looking through the camera is not as easy as looking at the actual toy. And peg it together like that. Get this peg together right. There we go. Yeah, I have to look around. There we go. It's got a peg hole stand or a peg hole right there for the stand in jet mode, and it also works for when it's in robot mode. I forgot to show that off, but no big deal. He's got a little cockpit right here, so you can get the Titanmaster. The Titanmaster looks like this. So pretty cool Titanmaster. It's got face paint as well as his head is painted. Yep. So anyways, he's got all the same articulation as normal. Legs are together, but anyways, you want to sit it like this for this kind of, and then as you can see, it pegs in the bottom right down here. The slot is, you can see the slot right there, or right above my thumbnail. See, like my thumbnail, that's for if I need transformation, a transformation pick. Clip them in there like that. He doesn't fall out. We can connect it like that. You take the guns. There's a couple ports right here and here, as well as there and there. But we're just going to port these together on the bottom right like that, and like this. And like I said, the guns are a lot better. I love these guns compared to the other guns that the Titan's Return has been. And there you go. And you can also take Titan Masters. We'll just take Triggerhappy. And oh, I love that face paint. That's awesome. Turn his head around. He doesn't get the face paint. No, not the actual figure, but they got little pegs that you can attach them here. We all probably know this, but he's got another one over here. And so he can ride with his buddies. So that is that. Alright, so with the magic of television, we have all three of them in transformation in jet modes, and I gotta admit that Triggerhappy is definitely the most fun to play with. As you can see, I have all the cockpits open, so we can just close those. This one, you kind of want to do that. Close his, and close his. So, take a quick look at them all real quick. Why not? But there's Triggerhappy. He's definitely the most fun to transform. Plus, he's got a landing gear, and he's the only one, and he's definitely got more steps for transformation. Slugslinger and Misfire, however, are basically remolds of each other, with different, obviously remolded, but the tabs fit better on Slugslinger. The back tabs there, as you can see, one's already popping out. It goes in, it just doesn't go in securely, I would say. But they're basically the same transformation and the same figure. And there's a problem with Misfire that I have, is there's these spikes right here, so when you put the guns in, here, I'll show you. Let's see, it's falling off this side too. When you put the guns in, there's not enough room. See? Just kind of, it'll go in, but it's real loose. You can peg it in a little bit, but if it even gets a little loose, it's just, you know what I mean? So, versus that. So, anyways, but that's my review. If you guys want me to do a questionnaire, you all ask me questions, let me know in the comment sections below. I'm willing to do that, just to see about the channel. It'll be about channel, not personal stuff, but just to see what you guys, to gauge your interests, what you're interested in seeing in this channel in the future, and things like that. I couldn't think of the word. I've been doing pretty good all review, except for I lost my train of thought with that one spot because I don't have this stuff written down. But I am cleaning today, and I'm going to make more room, so I'll have better reviews, and I'll have stuff written down because I don't have the room to have stuff here. There's no room. But anyways, leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe for more Troy reviews, and as always, stay awesome, stay subbed, and stay tuned for the next video. That's a wrap, guys. I'm out.